In today's video, I will be unboxing a $700 Kiara Sky package. This package includes nail products and supplies that I have been using to create nail designs that I post on Instagram and TikTok. So if you're interested in seeing everything that I got from Kiara Sky, keep on watching. So first on my list, I got an 8-piece nail art brush set. So this is my first time receiving some nail art brushes from Kiara Sky. I have used their acrylic brushes before, but never the nail art brushes. So I'm excited for these. So if you guys watch my content, you know that I am heavily into nail art. So this was a must for me. Of course, it comes with 8 different brushes. You have the XL liner brush. Medium liner brush, small liner brush. And then you have a 3D art brush, a medium round brush, a small round, you have a medium flat, and a small flat. What I love about the packaging is once you flip it over to the bag, they actually show you each of the nail art brushes, and then in detail, they kind of tell you how you can use it. For instance, the small flat nail brush is a versatile brush that can be used for anything from builder gel to blending ombre to painting nail art such as flowers and more. So you can pause it and read each of them if you want, but I love that they actually tell you what each of the nail brushes can be used for. Now, this one I'm really excited about. I'm heavily into nail art and I kind of need some new gel polishes. So I saw these gel pods on their site. These polishes are supposed to be perfect for nail art, very pigmented. That's definitely what I'm looking forward to when I'm buying some gel paint. So we have here Blank Slate, and it's a white color. So basically it's a lot thicker. It just has a thicker consistency than regular gel. I know for a fact I put more in my cart. Sunshine, and that's a yellow. This one is Pitch Black, and that's kind of self-explanatory. It's black. And we have Pinky Swear, which is a pink. Plumsy, which is a purple. I'm honestly going to just set these to the side because I feel like I have more gel pods, but they're just at the bottom of the box, so stay tuned. I thought these were some more gel pods, but turns out they are chrome powders. So we have those, and then let's see what's in this box because I didn't check yet. Okay, so 2 more gel pods. We have Leave It Alone, which is a shade of green. And then this one is Sapphire. I knew I had some more gel pods. Oh, and this is a drill bit. 5-in-1 medium rose. Okay, we'll get to that in a second. So we got a drill bit. Let's look at these chrome powders. Now, I'm such a fan of chrome nowadays, which is why I kind of went crazy on these chrome powders. Well, this is a chrome, and then these are holographic. All right, so this one is called Glass, and it's supposed to give you that like glazed donut type look on top of, you see it on top of a lot of French nail sets, or maybe that mirror type effect. And then all of the holographics, I think I got all of these. All of them came in a set. So this one is called Futuristic. This one is called Cosmo. You got Surf's Up, Pop Rocks, Flashing Lights, Hologram, Disco Ball, and in pink, We Trust. I love that name. Okay, so right here we got some jelly tints. There's so many reasons why I love to use jelly colors. Once I saw Kiara Sky had some, I wanted to get to try them. I have Sand Dune, Heartstroke, Hot Pink, and You Succulent. I recently tried out some of these jelly tints, really most of them other than the hot pink one, but they worked out beautifully. So I'm using these jelly tints to kind of create like a marble type look, kind of sort of. So I'm taking the jelly tints and then I'm going to take the white liner gel and kind of outline each little color blob that I got on there. And then before curing, I just take my airbrush machine and kind of just play with it until I'm satisfied, and then I cure once I like what I see in the design, put a top coat on top, and then this is how it turned out. So yeah, we're putting some good use into these jelly tints. The Beyond Pro Nail Dust Collector. I've had my eye on this since it went viral and people were putting it against the wall. And the suction was so good that it would just stay on the wall even after you take your hands off of it. So I want to try it out. I'm not going to put it against the wall because later on they said that you definitely shouldn't do that. It's a safety hazard or risk or something like that. But I do want to test the suction because this is my first time trying out Kiara Sky's dust collector. Right here is the inner filter, and it is washable and reusable, and I think that's amazing. Here is what the back of the dust collector looks like. And the package underneath the dust collector, they did have some disposable filters, which we're going to get into a little bit later. But under that is the actual plug. And it has a big box, which I'm guessing is the power source. I mean, this dust collector it can go up to 120,000 RPM. So I would think it would need a big power source. Now, back to the disposable filters. Now, I've seen people use this one or two ways. So the first way is putting it under this piece right here. And then you put the piece back on top and then you use the dust collector as normal. Or they put the filter on top of the whole dust collector and use it like that. Not sure which one is the right way, but I'm going to just figure it out. I decided I wanted to try it out on top of the dust collector just to see how it would work. But one thing about this dust collector is it is loud. I'm not going to lie. But it gets the job done. So after turning it on, I can already tell how well this is going to work by how it's like literally sucking down the filter that I laid on top. Now to test out this dust collector, I'm just going to remove the set that I currently have on. I'm just taking off all of the gel polish on top. I'm also using the drill bit that I got in from Kiara Sky. This is the 5-in-1 extra long medium bit. This bit will probably be more beneficial for longer nails since it's extra long, but it's still getting the job done, removing the gel polish for me. Now, I feel like from this angle, you can really see like the suction is sucking down all of that nail dust. And I don't even have to worry about it making a mess anywhere. Like it's going straight down. And then after I'm finished, this is all of the nail dust that was left. It's all in this disposable filter. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the trash. This flash curing lamp was one of the things I was most excited about. I love its design. You have the choice between white and a pink one to choose from. I was not expecting it to come with a wall piece. Usually with flash curing lamps, they only come with a cord and you have to provide your own wall piece. So I was surprised to see this wall piece in this box, honestly. So the flash curing lamp itself is rechargeable, but if it does lose its charge, you have a super long cord. You can charge it while you're still using the flash curing lamp. I've been using this lamp for a while now and it has the best battery life ever. I love this lamp. It has a gooseneck so you can easily move it around to have it in the perfect position to cure your nails. And then it also has a motion sensor. So once you turn the lamp on, you can easily tap the top of the lamp to turn on the UV light. This lamp is definitely my favorite out of this whole entire Kiara Sky haul. So next are the files. Now I have the rectangle files that has a grit of 80 and it comes in 25 pieces. An 80 grit file is good for shaping acrylic and polygel or any hard gel. So I really want to go back and actually get some 100 grit files and then I'll be good to go. But if you look on their site, they have so many different files to choose from. You can get the half moon file, the rectangle file, the straight file, and you can get them in either 25 pieces or 2 pieces. So next we have buffers. Now, just a little background. I purchased some buffers from either Temu or Shein, and they're absolute trash. I hated them. I had to throw them all out. And this is why I'm getting some more buffers, because I desperately need them. I personally love Kiara Sky's buffers, have no issue with them, which is why now I have a whole box full. So next I have another one of the inner filters for the dust collector. I think it comes with the dust collector actually, like an extra one, but I'm not sure. And I'm saying that because I don't remember putting an extra inner filter in my cart. But if not, they actually sell individual inner filters, so you can buy them if you need some more. And they come in different colors, so you can actually match the color of your filter with your dust collector. And lastly, we have some acetone. Now, this is pure 100% acetone. And let me just tell you, it gets the job done every single time. I use acetone whenever I'm trying to remove a nail set. And I'm going to show you that right now. I'm just going to take a cotton ball and soak the cotton ball in the acetone. And then I'm going to put it on the nail that I want to soak off. And I'm going to let it sit and soak for a good, I think I let this soak for 20 minutes before I took it off. And this is how it looks. And most of it is coming off. I think I need to let it soak just a little while longer. But as you can see, like that acetone is getting the nail off. All I have to do is let it soak for a little while longer. And we have no damage done to my nail to get all of these nails off. So yeah, acetone is a must-have whenever you're doing your own nails. Love having it around. All right, now that's everything for the Kiara Sky haul. I will say some things that weren't on sale when I bought it, they are on sale now. So if you're interested in anything that I showed you today, definitely check out the Kiara Sky site. The link is in my description down below and catch it while it's on sale. You can also use my code to get a little bit of extra money off of your purchase. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time.